Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing well. Attending conferences are a great way to grow your network, meet new potential clients, and increase your overall skill set. There are tons of amazing conferences for every industry. But if you end up choosing a conference that doesn't have a turnout like you expected or isn't relevant to your needs, it can essentially end up being more of a waste of time rather than a good investment. With so many awesome conferences to choose from throughout the year, I recently came across NVIDIA's GTC event. You might be wondering, what is NVIDIA's GTC? Well, NVIDIA's GPU Technology Conference is a conference that's starting on 12th of April. The event is entirely virtual and completely free. There are more than 1400 talks from industry leaders in data center, networking, graphics, and autonomous vehicles, and many more. So essentially, there's something in it for everyone from every part of the industry. In less than 3 weeks, NVIDIA's founder and CEO, Jensen, will kick off GTC 21. He'll start by sharing the company's vision for computing that scales from an edge device to the data center, then essentially to the cloud. Industry veterans such as Geoffrey Hinton are here to share their discoveries in GTC 21. The list goes on and on, so you can see the list of amazing scientists that are here to share their amazing knowledge. Let me now go to the overview of all the conference topics that are there. So there are tons of talks on data science. You have talks centered around AI for emerging markets, talks on financial services, GPU programming, game development, and so on and so forth. So overall, GTC 21 is essentially a very power-packed event. Whether you come in from a financial services background or if you are into virtual reality or augmented reality, you will have talks centered around the topic that is most close to you. So essentially, GTC 21 will be an event which will bring a font of knowledge and interaction for developers, application users, AI researchers, and AI programmers. I can only urge all of you watching this video to go out and register for this conference. Let me reiterate, the conference is entirely free of cost. You don't have to pay any amount in order to register for this conference. I'll add the link to the conference website in the description section of the video. Feel free to check it out. Secondly, I'm doing a small giveaway since I've crossed 29,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. So this is my way of saying a thank you to all my subscribers. So this giveaway wouldn't have been possible without the help of NVIDIA. So a big shout out to NVIDIA for supporting a giveaway of 5 prizes of NVIDIA's Deep Learning Institute course. Let me shed some more light on NVIDIA's Deep Learning Institute course. So there are some amazing self-paced online training courses available on NVIDIA's website. Let me show you some examples. For deep learning, you have courses like Getting Started with Deep Learning, Getting Started with AI on Jetson Nano, Optimizing and Deployment of TensorFlow Models with TensorFlow RT, and so on and so forth. You have courses on deep learning, accelerated computing, data science, and infrastructure. So overall, it's a very useful website to learn and keep evolving as an individual. To enter and win the giveaway, the only thing that you have to do is comment down below which of the NVIDIA Deep Learning Institute course that you would like to do and why is it that you are choosing that particular course. Secondly, I'll also be attaching a Google form wherein I'll expect you to enter some basic details like your name and email address. Once you're selected, I'll kind of reach out to you using the email address that you've entered. So this is a small giveaway that I had in mind. I want you to make the most of the giveaway. So please share this news across with as many people as you can. That is the GTC 21 conference. And it would be super motivating if you can share across my video with all your friends and family, and also request them to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for my next video, in which I'll show you the results of the giveaway live using a Python script. So if you're excited for the giveaway, keep sharing my video and keep sharing the news across to as many people as you can. Thank you so much for watching this video.